How to increase download speed on Chrome browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find it useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step you need to do is to open your Chrome browser. Then go to the search and search for Chrome / flags. So it will appear on the search result there. So just tap on it. Then it will land here. So on the search flags, you are going to search for parallel downloading. It will appear on the search result there. So you need to enable this button. As you can see, it is disabled. And the purpose of this, as you can see, enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android. So you need to tap on that drop down arrow, then select enable. So once you have selected enabled, you are going to tap on relaunch at the bottom there, at the bottom right corner, in order to apply the changes. So as you can see, it has already been enabled. So that's really it, guys. That's how to increase download speed on Chrome browser. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.